I interrupt your daily scroll to talk about the original fridge packs for a second? Is that cool? Okay, great. Hi. In case you weren't aware, C2O has original fridge packs that come in the cutest little 10.5 ounce mini cans. They are absolutely wonderful. Perfect hydration, natural electrolytes, non-GMO. Basically, it's nature's Gatorade. You can throw them in your bag for pickleball, for sports. You can drink them while you're at your desk like I'm doing today. It is truly such a delicious, satisfying hydration that actually fuels your body from within, because in case you missed it, regular tap water's not cutting it, okay? Especially in the heat wave we are all living in. We need actual minerals, electrolytes to truly feel hydrated properly. So, go get yourself one of these. Okay, you can go back to scrolling now. Bye-bye.